Meaning of earphones.
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 Earphones. Earphones are a type of personal audio device that is used to listen to sound through the ears. They consist of small speakers that sit inside the ear canal and are connected to a cord that is plugged into a device such as a phone or music player. Earphones are designed for individual use and provide a means of listening to audio without disturbing those around you. They come in various shapes, sizes, and types, including Bluetooth and noise-canceling models. Overall, earphones offer a convenient and portable way to enjoy audio content.